it's day 19 and I just can't believe I'm getting to the point where it's going to be the 20s of days tomorrow. Longest trip I've done evidently, because all my other ones have been like up to 12 days. But today we are going to Chatsworth House, which is very exciting. So this is obviously the house from Pride and Prejudice, the 2005 version. So Pemberley is the name in the books, and I'm very excited to see the house. Like, I feel like I'm just going to be so excited to like walk around and see everything. It is a bit pricier to go into, but obviously they're banking on the fact that so many Pride and Prejudice fans are going to come and they will pay. But we are also then going to end up in Stratford-upon-Avon tonight, so that is definitely our plan for tomorrow. But I'm very excited to see how we go today, and just it's going to be like a really fun thing. Okay, we're here, so the house is just behind us, even though we're seeing kind of like the back side of it. But one thing that we do know is if you pre-book your tickets, you actually get free parking into the house. So basically, it's only £5 if you don't, but just if you know that you're definitely coming, it's best to pre-book, save your £5, get through. We just weren't sure exactly what time we were going to make it, and that's the main reason why we didn't pre-book, but we're going to go in very soon. Okay, we just finished our tour of the house just a little while ago. So we got to go through quite a few rooms, but it was a pretty quick tour. So now we're going to just do the walk of the outside and the gardens, because there was quite a few sections that we saw out the window that we're going to go have a look at now, and obviously get some good photos. Decided to keep walking around. Like, this has been great. I also bought a really nice copy of Pride and Prejudice because I felt like I had to.
Owning an estate like this and just like putting up random statues in the garden just because you could.
Okay, this turned different quick.
Why did we end up parking again?
What is with this? here's our hotel for the Holiday Inn. Look, Jenna's got a little sofa bed. It's so cute.
I love it.
Pretty good bathroom situation. Wow, that's really great for when you want to go to the toilet, isn't it? So clearly, they didn't design this very well, did they?
No.
Whoa, this light is really shining bright, so this might end up being weird, but it's the end of the day. We didn't really do much, so we are actually in Warwick, not Stratford-upon-Avon yet, because I didn't realize that we weren't actually staying in the town. We're actually 15 minutes drive away, so we haven't actually gotten there yet. So tomorrow, like, we booked in tickets to go look at some of the houses and Shakespeare's birthplace, so that's going to be tomorrow's events, but we literally are so tired. We decided to eat at the restaurant in the hotel. The girls are going to get ice cream because there's a Macca's next door, so it's just all good vibes. But I really enjoyed today. I loved so much going to the Pride and Prejudice house, and I know that it just was randomly like, we're at our hotel. Like, it took us 2 hours to drive from there to here, and I did the driving. Not a fan at all, because what is with the roundabouts here? Because there's like 8 different exits and just the maps is not keeping up with it, and just there's just so many roads that are concerning, and the car that we've rented is so much longer than what I'm used to, so it's a pain. I don't like it. Thankfully there's 2 of us driving, so we can share the driving, but it is seriously scary. And I'm just waiting until next week when we don't have to use a car anymore, because we are gonna be in London. So that's definitely gonna be exciting. I know you've been wondering, like, when is she gonna go to London? At end of the trip is our London time, but yeah, I've had a really great day. I loved being at the house. I loved walking around. It was so much fun, but yeah, just gonna like get ready for bed, hang out a bit, and be ready for tomorrow. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.